To activate your Nordea bank card, follow these steps. Receive your card. Once you receive your Nordea bank card in the mail, ensure it is securely delivered without any tampering or damage. Log into online banking. Open the Nordea website or mobile app and log in using your username and password or biometric authentication. Navigate to Card Services. After logging in, go to the section labeled Card Services or Cards. This is typically found in the main menu or under your account settings. Select your card. Choose the card you want to activate from the list of your available cards. If you have multiple cards, ensure you select the correct one. Follow activation instructions. Follow the on-screen instructions to activate your card. You may be asked to enter the card number, expiration date, and the CVV code found on the back of the card. Verify your identity. To ensure security, you may need to verify your identity. This can include answering security questions, entering a one-time password sent to your registered mobile number, or using other authentication methods. Confirmation. Once you've completed the steps, you will receive a confirmation message indicating that your card has been successfully activated. Set PIN. If not already set, you may be prompted to choose a personal identification number for your card. Follow the instructions to set your PIN.